Good day, everyone. I am Engine Cadet Gartville Haramilla. Today, I am going to discuss the importance of load line convention in preserving safety in the maritime industry. But before we dive into the topic, let us first understand what is load line convention. The Load Line Convention was established in April 5, 1966 and entered into force on July 1968. The Load Line Convention was created to prevent ships from overloading, a problem that caused many shipwrecks back then. It has 34 articles, 3 annexes, and 52 regulations to ensure that the vessels remain seaworthy. The most recognizable part of this convention is the Plimsoll line. So what is Plimsoll line? The Plimsoll line is the marking on a ship's hull that shows the maximum safe loading depth, ensuring it does not exceed the legal cargo limit based on water conditions and seasons. So, why is the Load Line Convention important? The Load Line Convention is one of the most important international agreements in maritime safety. It protects not just the ship and its cargo, but most importantly, the crew and passengers on board by preventing overloading. You see, ships must remain balanced and stable to sail safely, but if they carry too much cargo, they sit too low in the water. This increases the risk of flooding, capsizing, or even sinking, especially in bad weathers. The Load Line Convention sets strict rules and determines the maximum safe loading depth of a ship, helping to avoid this danger. The convention also considers different factors like water type and climate conditions. Since saltwater is denser than freshwater, ships float differently in each. That's why load lines are adjusted depending on whether a ship is in saltwater, freshwater, or extreme weather conditions. These adjustments ensure that vessels remain seaworthy in any environment. To make sure these rules are followed, ships have plimsoll lines marked on their hulls. These markings clearly show the maximum depth a ship can be safely loaded to, depending on where and when it is sailing. Before a ship departs, maritime authorities inspect these markings to confirm that the vessel is safe for travel. So to conclude, the International Convention on Load Lines, or the ICLL, ensures that ships worldwide follow the same safety regulations, reducing the risk of maritime accidents, protecting the lives, and preventing cargo loss. By enforcing these rules, the convention plays a key role in making international shipping safer and more reliable. And that is why the Load Line Convention is important in preserving safety in maritime industry. Thank you for your time. Hope you learned something. God bless you all.